Okay, we're gonna be walking straight down this way. So this is just a little part of Taipa, and this is kind of like on the peripheral part, and we're just gonna walk directly down this way. I just want to give you a little context of where we are before we do. This is the little park that we're at. There's number 16 restaurant right there. This is Zhuhai Coimbra straight ahead, and then this is Flower City right there. Okay, so let's focus on our main road, and then we'll show you the street. It's called Avenida Olímpica. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So here we are walking down Zhuhai Olímpica. I guess it's called Avenida Olímpica. Sorry, Avenida Olímpica. So I guess it's called Avenida Olímpica because I believe Olympic Stadium is directly behind us or next to us. Got a McDonald's right there. Oh, it's popular. Little series of stores in this area. Got a toy store kind of place. I'm trying to get used to a new camera, so one of the things that's different about this camera than my GoPro is it moves a little bit slower, so I don't always, I feel like I'm filming what I'm trying to be filming, and the GoPro has like wider images too. So this one, the images are a little bit smaller, so I don't always know if I can catch stuff on the peripheral like I might be catching on the GoPro. So here we are down to Avenida Olimpia. This is San Mui supermarket. Looks like that. That's the street we were just on, that we are on, where we just walked from. We'll keep on walking here. Got Paper Moon Thai Cuisine to the left. That one's right there. Oh, I think it's like Mooncake Festival time, so I think the Mid-Autumn Festival is today, tomorrow. Japanese restaurant. I think this is called Yodon restaurant. Okay, so we're kind of at this corner. Avenida Olímpica. So we're going to be walking kind of a different camera, so I got to get used to some differences. So you got a car right there. Actually, the camera kind of goes slowly to where I'm pointing it at. It'll take a little while to learn the settings. It's kind of leaning towards the right a little bit, which I guess is good because that's actually more interesting down there anyways. I think we're still in Avenida Olímpica. Keep on walking down that way. So we're going to keep walking down that way, but I just want to capture a little bit of this. That goes down to Taipa Village. And then this one is kind of a cool little apartments right there in the middle. I always like those little circle stuff right there. And then this one goes all the way. This is where we're just at. So this one is our focus today. Kingsville. We'll kind of go around over to this side a little bit. See what's over here. So yeah, kind of getting a little taste of Taipa in Macau. And then up here you can go up into these hills a little bit. There's some hiking over there. There's some nice apartment buildings over there. There's a cemetery over there. All kinds of hidden stuff over there as well. Probably have to walk up there in the daytime sometime and show you more of that. I'll just kind of show you what's around this side. So we're basically just going around this little circular thing right here, a roundabout. And then it'll come out over on this side. Then we have another main street over here. Like that. And a gas station across the street. Okay, so that'll be a whole other thing right there. Well, let's just end it right here.
Chiquinha